friends, welcome back to my channel, and this is Shari Nair, and I hope you all are doing well. And I am back with a new recipe, and that's a traditional pepper chicken which is easy, quick and made with very less ingredients. So let's find out how to prepare this recipe. So here I have 400 grams of chicken, 1 spoon of fennel seeds, 1 spoon of black pepper, some ginger, garlic and chilli, lemon, some curry leaves, turmeric powder and salt. Firstly, let's make a paste. Add black pepper, fennel seed, ginger, garlic, chilli and grind them all together. Now add the paste to the chicken. Add some turmeric powder, salt and squeeze half of the lemon. Now marinate the chicken with all these ingredients and let it rest for 1 hour. Into a pan or skillet, add some coconut oil and add the curry leaves. When it splutters, add the chicken pieces. Once the chicken is fried on one side, turn them and then close the lid and let the chicken cook well. After 10 minutes, open the lid and stir the chicken once again. Again, close the lid and cook it for more 10 minutes. Once the chicken leaves the water, cook it open until the chicken is well cooked. Take a small piece of chicken and see if it is cooked. So here we have a simple, quick and delicious pepper chicken ready. So this is a traditional way of preparing pepper chicken with the least ingredients by bringing the best out of all. I hope you will all like this recipe, so do try and let me know how did you find it. Until then, bye bye, take care, have lots of good food, stay safe and have lots of fun, and I will be back with many more recipes. Bye bye.